You can change the publication date of a blog post before or after it's published. This changes the order in which posts appear on a blog page. In the Home menu, click Pages. Then, click the blog page with the post you'd like to adjust. Open the blog post by clicking on the post you'd like to change. Click Edit to open the post editor. In the post editor, click the current publication date below the word Published. There, select a new date and time from the calendar that opens. Click on the post content to close the calendar, and then click Save. You may also want to click Refresh to refresh your page's content. Once you do, you can see the blog post's new publication date on your blog page. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.